project is a Holiday Inn. It's up here by I-90, right off Peach Street on Downs Drive. The building here is a fairly decent size. It's 80,000 square feet, 152 resident rooms, a commercial kitchen with a bar and a lounge area. There's going to be an outdoor patio. There's also an indoor pool in this facility. We are doing the drain waste and vents, all the storm drains and roof drains, gas lines, and water lines. We're also doing a hot water recirc that recircs all the hot water throughout the whole building, so each room individually can have instant hot water. They're basically giving us a year. Now, we lost 2 months because of COVID-19, so they're trying to get us to make that up. We have a lot of people working on site. We're working over top of each other in a lot of places, and we're trying to do it as quickly and as professionally and give it the quality that we demand as the company of Spaeder. Over here, we got a typical bathroom. This is going to be a shower. This room is actually a king size room. So as you can see, over here we got a shower valve, there's a toilet, we got a stack, vent stack tying into our drain stack, and it's gonna go out through the roof. And we have a sink over here. So over here you can see this is storm lines. We're on a 3rd floor right now. This is storm lines coming down. As you can see, we got our fire caulk up there, and we got fire rings and our mending plates that we had to put in to try and help restructure for the holes that we had to drill out, because there's such large holes and they take out so much material. All of our underground was prefabbed in our shop. This was due to the fact that our bin department did their job and gave us all the measurements ahead of time. We came out here, and when we started the underground, we used the Trimble to be able to mark out all the points for where we would come up out of the ground. When we had the Trimble here doing the underground, it was a muddy mess. Most of the dirt on this site was trucked in so they could build a mound for this building to be set on. That was great and fine and dandy if we could have started in the summertime like the project was supposed to. Unfortunately, the project got delayed and we got stuck starting in October. October is the beginning of our wet fall or snowy season, and we dealt with all of it in the underground. There are a lot of hotels in Erie, or at least it seems like it, but Erie is a very good destination for travelers. We do have Presque Isle, so there's all the beaches, and Presque Isle's been rated some of the most beautiful sunsets in the country. Without us plumbers, there's a lot of things that just wouldn't be possible in modern day society. Therefore, I feel like I'm doing my part for the society, for the community, and I just like it, building stuff. It's fun.